that silver moon. Reaching for the stars, hit the streets and the boulevards. We turn it up right now. It's gonna be a good time, gonna be a good time, yeah. Soaking up the sunshine, soaking up that sunshine, feeling like yeah, we do it like it's gonna be a good time.
Happy birthday, Hero!
Now, keep the vibe going, paint these stars. Tonight we're glowing, don't stop now. We can keep it going, shine so bright. Anywhere we're going, it's gonna be a good time, gonna be a good time, yeah. It's gonna be a good time, gonna be a good time, yeah.
Happy Hazel!
Soaking up the sunshine, soaking up that sunshine, feeling like yeah, we do it like it's gonna be a good life, gonna be a good, 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 good time.
Come stop the crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms
I love the Lord dahil sa Kanya, and I love her because of the Lord. I love you, mahal ko. Hindi ko madalas sinasabi sa iyo na alam mo, pero alam mo, mahal na mahal mo. Hindi ako nag-practice kaya hindi ako makakanta
from this day on, now and forevermore. Don't listen to them, 'cause what do they know? We need each other to have to hold. They'll see time.
Una po sa lahat, happy birthday, Sister Hazel. Isa po, kapag tinitingnan ko po kayo, lagi ko pong naiisip yung kasabihan na aging like a fine wine. And I think you really are aging like a fine wine. And ano po, alam naman po yung parte, naging parte po kayo ng buhay namin. But more than that, siguro po yung mas na-appreciate ko po talaga sa inyo is yung nagtitake time po talaga kayo na mag-aral ng salita ng Panginoon para po maibahagi sa amin gaano man kayo ka-busy, gaano man po sobrang full pack ng schedule po ninyo, hindi po talaga kayo napapagod na mag-share sa amin ng salita ng Panginoon.
in my heart, no matter what.
Kasi po, I thank you. Dahil sa totoo lang po, masayang-masaya ako. Una, celebrating my 50th birthday and my Thanksgiving as well with you. Kasi sa totoo po, napaka-importante niyo sa amin. Sabi ko nga sa Panginoon, kung hindi niyo kami binigyan ng ganitong church, Lord, wala sana itong mga tao for celebrating with us.